ITC, it's an Indian company. It has five special divisions, starting with cigarettes, FMCG, hotels, paper boards and packaging, and personal care. ITC has visited a campus in the last week of July. There was no basic criteria for shortlisting. They just gave out a form in and Google Doc, and almost all the students who filled the form were shortlisted for the apti round. The apti round was basic simple. Basic apti questions were asked in the question. From the apti, around 50 students were selected for the next round. It was a GD round. The number of students for each group was around 6 to 8. I don't remember the exact number. For our group, the topic of the GD was Maggie. Is there a chance for Maggie to come back again to the market? So the GD was pretty cool. Two members will be judging the GD. They'll be just seeing whether how if you are in a particular situation, how you will be handling the problem, how you will be discussing with your team peers and all that. Be pretty cool in the GD. Give others also a chance to speak, and it should not be like that. You will be dominating the GD. And after that, there were two rounds of personal interview. Students, who were shortlisted after the personal interview, were selected for a Skype interview. The two rounds of personal interview were a mix of both tech and HR. And they'll be asking you a favorite subject. Be strong in any particular subject, as these companies will be testing whether you are. They don't need much of a technical knowledge or something like that for working in these companies. What they will be testing is whether you are sincere, whether you will be working for the company. The HR should be convinced that you won't be leaving the company at any case. That's what they require. They will be testing in different situations, like if a company offers you a higher package than this, if companies other than these, which PSUs offer. Actually, the package offered by batteries was around 8.84. So if you have a good CG, you'll be getting chances for sitting in other companies. If you get a higher package, will you be leaving the company? They'll be actually tapping you by all these questions. Just make them convinced that you'll be joining the company, and they should be having an idea that you'll be sincere and you'll be working hard. My favorite subject, I gave them the option of fluid mechanics. So there's basic fluid mechanics questions and all those from turbines, pumps. They also asked me to derive the Navier-Stokes equation, but it's not able to complete the entire derivation. But I just gave them the idea of how to start deriving the equation by. They just got impressed by that idea. And apart from that happened in the first PA. The second PA was also quite simple. From there also they have asked most of the tech questions, and it was a mix of extra. They will be just sensing your ability, your communication skills, and all those. And for the next day, there was a Skype interview, and that was with the main HR. This Skype interview was a crucial round. All the questions which were asked in this Skype interview were completely based on your CV. They completely analyzed your CV. They will be asking what are the trainings you have done, the internships you have done. They'll be asking your particular contribution in the internship, your particular contribution in that project.